Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Altertech back again with another video, and in front of me is the Galaxy S9 straight from Cricket Wireless. So this is the Midnight Black edition, and as you guys can see, Samsung actually removed the fingerprint sensor from the left side of the camera sensor all the way to the bottom of the camera sensor, and to the right side you will find your heart rate monitor and your camera flash. So so far it's looking pretty good. There is no Cricket tramp stamp on the bottom, so let's pull off this smiley face sticker off in front and admire that infinity type display. So it is curved edges, which I'm not really too fond of. So to the bottom we do have our headphone port, we do have our USB Type-C connector, and you do have your bottom firing speakers. And to your right side you have your power button, to your left side you have your volume rockers and your Bixby button. So so far so good. It powers on. You do have your LED notification light. So you guys do know I was trying to get that OnePlus 6T, but there's just so many hoops I had to go through to get it from T-Mobile. You had to get 2 lines, and it was just I wish it was just 1 line, but it is what it is. So let's power this up and see what we have. Sign up. So there's so many ways you could unlock this phone. You have your intelligent scan, face recognition, iris scanner, your old school password, fingerprint scanner, and now we do have Bixby, and I will be trying out Bixby for the first time this week, and I'll let you guys know what I actually think about it. You have your USB connector in the box as well. You have your power brick in the box as well. Same old Samsung power design, and we do have headphones, free headphones. So this is the AKG headphones, and it does have that braided type corded finish, which I do love because it's actually more durable. And you do have your standard USB cable. So that's pretty much all what you guys get. That's that. So yeah, about the OnePlus 6T, man, I'm still kind of bummed out I didn't get it, but you know what, for just $350 and on the Cricket Wireless Network, I'll have this Galaxy S9 with a better camera sensor, headphone jack, LED notification light, and I do have some Bixby features as well. So I will give you guys a full cinematic 4K video coming up next week. Maybe on Monday I would release it. So be sure to hit that bell notification icon to get the latest videos. This is pretty much it. This is Altertech signing out. Hope you guys have a great, blessed, and wonderful day. See you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.